Twi Lesson 3 Level 3 by Sarfo Baffoe. If you follow this course, you are going to speak Twi very quickly. Do you remember our previous lesson? How do you say see in Twi? Or hunu? How do you say see me in Twi? Hume, or hume or hunume, hume or hunume. How do you say I want to see you now? Me pese mi hu wo say. I want to see you now. Me pese mi hu wo say. How do you say now in Twi? Say. Say or say. I can't see you now. Me ntumi nhu wo say. Me ntumi nhu wo say. That is, I can't see you now in Twi. Me ntumi nhu wo say. How do you say I can't? Me ntumi, I can't. How do you say why? Aden, why? Aden. Why do you want to see me in Twi is Aden inti na opese uhume. Why do you want to see me? Aden inti na opese uhume. I have in Twi is mewo. I have in Twi is mewo. I have to see you now. Esese mi hu wo say. Esese mi hu wo say. Esese mi hu wo say. I have to see you now. You have to do it now if you can. The Twi version is Esese oye no say se ubetumi a. Esese oye no say se ubetumi a. How do you say give in Twi? Ma. Give, ma. How do you say give it to me? Fama me. I want to give it to you. The Twi version is me pese me de ma wo. I want to give it to you. Me pese me de ma wo. You have to give me something. Esese odi biribi mame. You have to give me something. Esese odi biribi mame. Give it to him. Famano. Give it to him. Famano. Give it to him. Famano. I want to give him money. Me pese me mano sika. I want to give him money. Me pese me mano sika. How do you say money in Twi? Sika. Money, sika. You have to buy her something. The Twi version is Esese oto biribi mano. You have to buy her something. Esese oto biribi mano. I am going, Meriko. I am going, Meriko. Are you going, Oriko? Are you going, Oriko? He or she is going, Oriko. He is going, Oriko. She is going, Oriko. I am going to Ghana, Meriko Ghana. I am going to Ghana, Meriko Ghana. I am going to give him something. Merikomano biribi. I am going to give him something. Merikomano biribi. I am going to do it now. Merikoye no say. I am going to do it now. Merikoye no say. I am going to Meriko. I am going to miracle. Do you remember? I am going to is miracle. Are you going? Oracle. Are you going? Oracle. Are you going to eat the food? Oracle di aduane no. Are you going to eat the food? Oracle di aduane no. What are you going to do? The Twi version is Deɛ na orekɔyɛ. What are you going to do? Deɛ na orekɔyɛ. Deɛ na orekɔyɛ. Thank you for watching Sarfo Baffoe Twi lesson. If you follow this lesson well, from 1, 2, 3 upwards, if you follow it very well, you are going to speak Twi very quickly.